Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be playing with some slime today, as y'all guys can see. So, this looks pretty cool. So y'all guys can see it breaks easily a little bit, and it stretches a lot. Well, not all the time. This is a cute pink slime called Flirt Putty. Well, I call it slime. I got the whole putty out. I think I can poke it. Can I? Yep, I can. And just gotta soften it up. Ew, it smells stinky. But all guys can see that this is the right consistency of some slime. I think it's a fluffy texture. Did I use glue, shaving cream, and borax? Tell me in the comments if you think that they put it glue, shaving cream, and borax. Let me show you guys something. I'm coming in a moment. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys. Now, back to the video. I think that they use shaving cream, glue, and borax to this putty recipe. I heard a girl did it. She did it with glue, warm water, and borax, and it was breaking easily like this. I like pink because it's like a girly color. Well, you can poke it successfully. Feels sticky at the bottom. But still, this slime is still a success. I wish y'all guys can see how it feels. Like it feels very cool. It feels cool. Well, it says I can fart, so let me see. So guys, it was farting, as y'all guys heard. Let's get back into the video. I'm gonna take y'all guys on a grandfather and me journey until I find him. Yeah. Y'all can see how I'm filming on camera, and y'all guys can see this very cool putty. Comment down below if you like it. I put it inside a flirt container. Wait one moment. What if I pretend like a slime and I peeled this whole tag off? Let me peel it. That's who I'm trying to find. Grandma, have you seen Daddy? Okay, you don't got to. Okay, y'all guys. Back into our slime video. Full of slime. Y'all can see it's a great consistency for like a cool slime. It's very nice. Well, it has gasiness, so. Take it out. Sorry about the noise in the background. That's my parents. This pink color is like a love slime. I'm gonna call this. Guys, so I'm gonna call this the Valentine slime. Well, it can't like spread or anything, but still is very easy to poke on your family table and all that. So, if y'all guys seen Barbara Collier on Facebook, please follow her. That was her inside the background. So, I'll upload this on YouTube. So, that was Barbara Collier from Facebook inside the background. Y'all can see it's very silky and very softness. Sorry guys for that mopping in the background. That's mopping in the background. Oh my god, guys. Trying to make a mold. Oh! I feel like shaving. I feel like I'm crushing something. I'll be back with the camera. I'm trying to zoom it in. But I hope y'all guys enjoyed my stretchy slime video. And please comment down below what slime share should I do next.
What are you videoing? Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. So guys, I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video of mine. Bye.